Which effect is better for 2 LED headlight bulb or 4-sided one? This is an ultra-thin condensing light model. Now we start to test it. 3. This headlight bulb is ultra-thin spotlight. Poflex have many this kind of new LED headlight bulbs. This is a low beam bulb. Take off the lamp holder of the LED headlight and attach it with a special bezel.
Tighten it, then install the H7 LED bulb and adjust. Now, we light it up and shine it on the wall. Let's take a look at the effect on the wall. Now rotate the bulb 2 times. This is a very astigmatism state. This is a state without successful dimming, very astigmatism.
2-sided light emitting without dimming is the same as 4-sided bulb with dimming. Now rotate the bulb to dim to get a standard beam pattern. Let's see the effect. There is a clear cut-off line of light and dark and the center point of the brightest area. Let's take a look at this effect. It's obvious that 2-sided LED headlight bulb is better than 4-sided one. Any question? Contact Poflex. It is a manufacturers, suppliers, wholesalers, factory, retailer, exporter, and dropshipper of automotive LED lighting products. Jeep LED lights, LED lights for Harley Davidson, LED Truck lights, motorcycle LED lights, car LED lights, and so on. Email sales1@poflex.com.